So first things first, we're gonna crack the eggs and separate the egg white and egg yolk mixture so that we can get our souffle mixture for use later. You want to be careful when you're separating the egg yolk and egg white mixture, as you do not want the egg yolk to spill into the egg white mixture, as this can prevent your souffle from rising to the expected height. So the saying is that you do not want goldfish in your egg white, and there's a reason for it, and I'll leave it in the description below. You can check it out. Lemon to the egg white mixture. This helps to prevent overbeating. Add in sugar. So the egg white's about right when it starts to look really creamy and shiny. So moving on to egg yolk, we are going to whisk the egg yolk until they turn creamy as well. Add in the vanilla essence, but this is optional. Add in sugar. Next, we are going to fold in the egg white and egg yolk mixture by part. So pour half of the souffle mixture into the baking tin, as we are going to add cheese in the middle of the souffle cake. It's going to be baked at 140 degrees for 55 minutes. Now pour in the remainder of the mixture and we are ready to pop it into the oven. You can add a foil on the top when it hits around 30 minutes because you want to prevent the top from burning. Now that it is out of the oven, it is just so soft and fluffy, but at the same time a bit too hot to cut. But now is also the best time to serve it to your friends, because a souffle cake that has no flour in it will not hold any structure, so it might collapse within 30 minutes to an hour. It is best served when it is out of the oven. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I will try to post weekly videos for everyone to see.